Right, that's it. I'm moving. I've had enough of this weather. Forget the rain, forget all the wind, the snow, everything else. I'm off. And I'm grabbing my suitcase and I'm leaving. Have fun, guys. All the best. Cheerio. Goodbye. Hold on a minute, I haven't told you what's in my suitcase. Well, yes, hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're doing something a bit different. We're getting away from the cold theme, we're heating things up, and it's going to be nice and toasty where we're going, because we're going somewhere with Hot Wheels. Take a look at that. We've got this travel case of Hot Wheels, and you can fit probably about one item in, maybe two if you're lucky. So make sure you choose wisely on what you bring in. But anyway, today we're going to not review a car, but we're going to review this little suitcase here. So we're going to sit down, have a nice chat, relax and warm up, because at the moment it's absolutely tipping it down. I mean, I could wear my swim shorts and swim in the puddles over there on the road, although it quite hurts, so I wouldn't advise it. But anyway, today we're going to have a look at this bad boy, and it is the Hot Wheels candy case. And there's a trademark stamp on the bottom here from, I don't know if you can see that. There's a trademark stamp on the bottom here from 2023, and we've only just found it here in 2026. So smash that like button and let's have a look what we've got in store in this sweet little suitcase. We have got the Hot Wheels candy case with fruit flavoured candy within the case. How awesome is that? Nice little travel size as well, and you can take that with you on the go. The wheels actually work. Can you believe it? And yeah, we're off to the airport right now. But no, let's open this bad boy and see what we've got in store. So let's find a way of opening it. There's a thing here. Get into there. And there we go. Right, so this is the Hot Wheels candy case, and it's a proper tin case, you know, so if they're going to chuck it around the airport, at least it won't be broken first time. And I don't want to talk about that, because last year I had a suitcase. I brought it first time and then used it, got there okay. On the way back, massive dent in it, as in it's cracked, dented and the rest of it. There was stuff sticking out of it, that's how bad it was. So yeah, never mind, eh? So this is the Hot Wheels candy case, as I keep saying, and I just want to remind you that this is really good for kids. So if you're an adult and you're watching this, just be careful of all the E numbers, because they have an adverse effect on activity and attention in children apparently. But yeah, eat it with caution basically. And if you want the best effect, then keep it in a cool and dry place, just like the cabin of an aeroplane. So what we got on here, let's have a look. We haven't got any franchise cars. We've got two non-franchise Hot Wheel owned cars. We've got the Dodge Charger equivalent of, it's like the twin mill sort of thing, but in a Dodge body. And that one there, I couldn't really tell you, to be honest, but they're quite nice looking cars, to be honest. We've got fiery flames, because, you know, Hot Wheels doing Hot Wheels. And we've got a standard loopy-de-loopy, so it tells you that you can do a loop-a-loop with the suitcase and nothing falls out of it, so it passes the loop-the-loop test. Okay, right, let's find a way of getting into this then. So do I just hold this together and pull, maybe? bear with us. Ah, it's from the top, maybe. Oh, it definitely opens side on. Ah, there we go. Okay, right. We open it like so. Right, so proper tin case, like I said, and what we got in here. That is literally all we've got in here. Just this packet. Now, I like the art style. That's pretty cool. Cartoon effect Hot Wheels. Okay, that's pretty cool. And that was made in 24. So the tin was made in 23, and the sweets were made in 24. And we're in 26. So okay, that's great. We'll take a closer look into the case. I mean, there's not much to show you, to be honest. It's a small case. You could probably fit, well, they fitted that in it, but that's about it, really. Goes in there. Job's a good one. So yeah, that's what's inside the case. It's one whole packet of 18 E-numbers, and we're gonna go and try it right now. Will this wipe away the January blues even though we're in February? Or will these be absolutely rotten and not worth the £1.50 that I spent on this suitcase? Let's find out. So let's open this here. They always make it difficult so you can't open it. Okay, and we are in. We are in the packet. It is open. I'm going to take the glasses off this so I can actually have a look what we got. So let's just pour a couple into my hands. So literally, all it is inside of this are these little things, these little sweeties, and I think they'll be proper hard. Yeah, they're proper solid. And we've got orange, and we've got blue. So, and literally that's all it is. It is a packet just full of these balls, basically. So we're going to try an orange one first of all and see how that goes. Oh, okay. So they're basically like, do you know the necklaces and the bracelets that you used to get as a kid when you went to like the school discos? It's basically that in a smaller version, smaller sweet. So the orange one, surprisingly, doesn't taste of orange. Proper hard on your teeth though. So, and I can see why there's a hazard warning to give these to kids, because they might swallow them whole. They're tiny, so be careful. But yeah, orange ones, yeah, they're okay. But will the blue ones taste any better or just exactly the same? Let's find out. Okay, it did actually taste a bit different, but I don't know whether that's because the colours play a trick on your mind. So you can see what colours they are, so you automatically presume the flavour of the thing. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a little experiment. And also I need the watchtowers as well, so if you can stay on this video, that'd be great. I'm only joking. You don't have to stay, but please do stay. Right, okay. Pinging off everywhere, they're like ping pong balls. Right, okay, so in my hands here, I've got a selection of orange ones, and in the other hand, I've got a selection of blue ones. What I'm going to do is, I'm not going to look, okay? But you guys are going to see that I'm mixing these up in my hands, all right? So let me just try and get it to I'm chucking them everywhere again. Yeah. Mix them into my hands, yeah. So this is both flavours infusing in my hands. And I'm not going to look, okay. So that's the colours that I've got. I'm hoping that I can show this on the camera. That's the colours that I've got, right? I'm going to close my eyes like I've done now. And I'm just going to say, right, so this one, that was a blue one. And this one, that was a blue one. And this one, that was an orange one. I don't know how I did. I'll have to watch the footage back and let you know. What an absolute donut. I think I only got the first colour right, and the others nowhere near. But you understand the idea, right? So, yeah, they are very hard on the teeth, as you could hear on the video, crunching, okay? And I wouldn't recommend these for kids at all. I mean, the Suitcase is kind of attractive, and I mean, the good thing about it is the handle retracts, so you can pull it up, and off you go, wheel it off. But as for the sweets, these are diabolical. No wonder it only costs £1.50. And if you really are interested in buying one of these, then go and have a look in B&M or Home Bargains, because they're both in there in the UK. So happy hunting, and I'm going to enjoy the rest of my balls here while we do the outro. So thank you very much for watching today's video. I know it's been a very short one, but if you enjoyed today's video, then make sure to leave a like. Much appreciated. Also, if you're new around here, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can watch some quality content just like this that you're watching right now. A guy eating sweets and about to bounce off the walls by a bit E-numbers. So yeah, enjoy the sweets, enjoy the case, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you very much, and goodbye. I mean, the presentation and the packaging, pretty good, but the sweets, nah, don't like them at all. I don't even know why I'm still eating them. Suppose I've got to get my money's worth, eh?